Core air cooling, portability on the go. All-in-one power, full potential unleashed, maximum efficiency, unlimited profit. The XT Laser X-Ray Series air-cooled handheld welder makes its grand debut. It makes the human element simple. With just 3 days of training, anyone can become a master welder. The built-in intelligent process library for stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum allows for perfect welds with a single pull, completely eliminating tedious adjustments. The ergonomic design provides a lightweight and flexible grip. Simply aim at the seam and operate freely. With precise energy control, every weld is beautiful and rock solid. X-Ray makes workflow efficient and seamless. Core air cooling technology. The innovative cooling structure eliminates the need for external water tanks, making it compact and truly portable. Weighing only 35 kilograms, it easily handles various tasks inside and outside the workshop. The weld beads are smooth with a minimal heat-affected zone and virtually zero deformation, saving you from the hassle of rework. Welding, cutting, cleaning, and weld seam treatment, all handled by one single machine. Power requires reliable protection. A 2-year warranty and worry-free after-sales service ensure your investment is secure and long-lasting. With 24/7 rapid response and instant support, everything is designed to make your manufacturing smarter and more efficient. XT Laser Air-Cooled Handheld Welder. Superior welding, true peace of mind, high profitability. Your high-efficiency productivity starts here.
XT Laser for